Calculating probabilities from tree diagrams in 117 seconds. Let's go. Questions like this, which involve combining the and or rules with tree diagrams, guys, are pretty difficult and they do come up a lot. So let's have a look at this one and try to understand it. The question says that Tom flips a coin and then rolls a dice. We're asked to calculate the probability that he flips a coin, then rolls a 6, or flips a head, then rolls a not 6. So we've got quite a lot going on here. Let's break it down. First of all, we have the fact that we can either have the first option where he flips a tail, then rolls a 6, or we can have the second option where he flips a head, then rolls a not 6. So we're going to have two probabilities here, which we're going to add together. Why? Because we can have the first one, or we can have the second one. But what are going to be those probabilities that we add together? So let's work out firstly the probability that he flips a tail and then rolls a 6. So how are we going to work that out? Well, he needs to flip a tail and then roll a 6. So we're going to multiply the probability that he flips a tail and then rolls a 6. We can work down our tree diagram. We have a half times by a sixth. So let's write that in. We're going to have 1 over 2 times by 1 over 6, timesing our top by our top and our bottom by our bottom. We're going to get 1 over 12. Now, what about the second option then, guys, where we're going to, what does it say? Or flips a head, then rolls a not 6. So this time we're going to go down this section and then we're going to roll a not 6. So we're going to have a half times by 5 over 6. Let's write that in. 1 over 2 times by 5 over 6. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 6 is 12. So we're going to have 5 over 12. Now, guys, remember what we said. We can have the first option or we can have the second option. So we're going to add those together. We're going to do 5 over 12 plus 1 over 12. We have the same denominator, so we can just add the tops. We're going to get 6 over 12 as our answer. And if we want to, we can simplify that, dividing top and bottom both by 6. We're going to get 1 over 2 as our final answer.